You're scrolling through your phone late at night. Memes, music, maybe a reel or two. But suddenly, you hear a voice.
A vector has both magnitude and direction.
Wait, was that Drake?
To find the magnitude, take the square root of the sum of the squared components. Just like this, the square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared.
No way. Drake is doing math now? Except he isn't. Not really. What you just heard is artificial intelligence. AI-generated Drake, a rapper turned digital math tutor. And it's not a joke. It's going viral.
I'm not just giving you lyrics today. We're breaking down vectors.
It all began with a short TikTok. A creator used AI tools, cloned Drake's voice, animated his face, and fed him a math script. That 30-second clip, it exploded. Millions watched. Not because of the math, but because for the first time, math sounded cool.
Think of a vector like this. 5 steps north. That's a direction and a value. That's magnitude. That's what we call a vector.
And suddenly, students who had zoned out in class were leaning in. Comment after comment poured in. I finally get it now. Why does this go harder than my actual lectures? This man Drake really teaching vectors now. And you know what? They weren't wrong.
Yo, vectors move things. They define force, motion. Even in 3D games, when your character jumps, shoots, or runs, it's vectors doing the math.
This is the rise of AI edutainment, where education meets entertainment powered by artificial intelligence. Some teachers started using these clips in classrooms. They play a 60-second Drake explainer and boom, attention captured. Then the real lesson began.
I'm not your teacher. I'm just giving you the rhythm, the flow, so your brain can catch on.
But with every trend comes the shadow. Is this legal? Is it ethical to use a celebrity's voice without permission? What if the AI makes a mistake? What happens when a deepfake says something wrong?
Facts matter, even when I'm not real. Double check your math. Your future self will thank you.
Despite the debates, the numbers didn't lie. Watch time was up. Engagement was off the charts. And perhaps more importantly, learning was happening.
This isn't just a trend. It's a transformation. You hear me, and you remember.
And it's not just for math. Imagine AI versions of your favorite stars teaching chemistry, physics, history, even philosophy. The potential is massive. Because let's be honest, we remember the things that surprise us, that connect with us. And this connects.
You've memorized my songs. Now let's make you memorize the formulas too.
You see, it's not about replacing real educators. It's about amplifying their reach, about meeting students where they are, on their screens, in their language, through voices they already trust.
I'm not your professor. I'm just your reminder that learning can sound like a beat and still hit hard.
Of course, some people laughed it off. Drake teaching math? What's next? AI Bieber doing biology? Well, maybe.
Next time, we're talking cross products. It's not just math, it's motion.
If you're a creator watching this, listen up. You have access to the same tools, the same AI models, the same opportunity. Write your script, clone a voice, use visuals, animation, and tell a story that makes people stop scrolling and start thinking.
You don't need to go viral. You just need to go deep, one mind at a time.
Because this is just the beginning of a new classroom where education wears a hoodie, speaks like a friend, and sounds like your playlist.
And if you still don't get vectors, rewind me. I'm not going anywhere.
So the next time someone says learning is boring, play them this.
Let me teach them something real.